At PERGOLUX, we believe your home doesn't end at your back door. Our mission is to push the boundaries of what's possible, combining world-class engineering with the simple joy of being outside. Today, we invite you to experience the next evolution of your home with the launch of the PERGOLUX Series 4. More space, more living. This fourth generation isn't just an update. It's a complete redesign of the user experience. We've taken high-end features once reserved only for our luxury models and made them the new standard. With a global presence spanning over 15 countries and a growing family of more than 100,000 satisfied customers, we have redefined what it means to live modernly outdoors. By standardizing premium engineering across our entire range, we ensure that every PERGOLUX model deserves the strength, elegance, and ease of use that have made us the most searched and trusted brand in the outdoor experience sector. Let's take a look at our three main pergola models: the PERGOLUX Pergola, PERGOLUX Pergola Pro, and PERGOLUX Pergola Pro Max. The PERGOLUX Pergola 4 is our manual louvered basic model. It is especially popular with homeowners who want adjustable shade without wiring or motors, or projects where electrical access isn't practical or won't be available until a later date. Designed for mechanical simplicity, the PERGOLUX Pergola 4 offers a louvered roof that operates entirely mechanically, a single SnapFIT channel in each horizontal beam compatible with PERGOLUX walls and accessories. No built-in lighting, letting you stay flexible with full compatibility to add PERGOLUX lighting later or when you decide it's wanted. Hurricane force wind ratings and industry-leading snow loads ensure your PERGOLUX Pergola grows with you for decades to come. Every PERGOLUX Pergola is designed with 6063 T5 aluminum. This premier architectural alloy ensures not only a complete rust-free lifetime, but also a smoother finish and flawless color consistency than industrial-grade alloys. The PERGOLUX Pergola 4 Pro is a motorized louvered pergola with integrated beam lighting. As a significant upgrade from our manual entry-level version, this model introduces a motorized roof that is fully compatible with remote controls, smartphone apps, or your existing smart home system. We have also doubled your customization potential by adding a second SnapFIT channel to each horizontal beam, making it easier than ever to integrate a wider range of PERGOLUX accessories. The Pergola Pro comes with standard LEDs, warm white or RGB, that can be installed by the customer directly into the gutter, while the structural engineering provides peace of mind with hurricane force wind ratings and extreme snow load capacities. At the top of the range, the reimagined Pro Max 4 offers unparalleled flexibility with wider louvers for expansive sky views and reinforced double-walled strength for any climate. It combines the most advanced engineering with maximum customization and the world's easiest assembly experience. A core hallmark of every PERGOLUX product is the freedom to handle the installation completely yourself, alongside one or two helpers. We've designed our systems so that no professional installation service, specialized tools, or advanced technical skills are needed. With this in mind, we are incredibly proud to announce that the PERGOLUX Series 4 features the fastest, most intuitive assembly process we have ever engineered. With our patent-pending RapidLouver system as a centerpiece, assembly time of the louvered roof is reduced by 75%. What used to take hours now clicks together in under 15 minutes. For those seeking the ultimate convenience, our Pro Max product line now features a silicone-free assembly process. By eliminating the need for any sealants or tape, we've made building your dream space faster and cleaner than ever before. Completely pre-labeled parts are more than a convenience. They secure a streamlined, efficient, and fast assembly without any headaches. With Series 4, PERGOLUX has mastered the art of invisible engineering. Your pergola will maintain a flawlessly clean Scandinavian aesthetic with zero visible screws anywhere on the finished frame. The PERGOLUX Series 4 is designed to grow with you through our proprietary SnapFIT technology. These hidden channels are built directly into the frame, letting you snap in glass walls, retractable screens, or heaters whenever you're ready. No drilling required and no compromise to the structural integrity. The refined RainLUX system doesn't just channel water, it manages it. We redesigned the internal geometry to minimize water bounce and drastically reduce acoustic contact noise during heavy rain. When the roof closes, it creates a watertight seal. Rain seamlessly vanishes into the hidden beam gutters and drains silently away through the interior of the posts. Discrete drainage openings at the foot of your pergola direct water away from your space. With an improved integrated Bluetooth and Matter connectivity, whether it's automating your louver position based on the weather or controlling your lighting through Apple Home or Google Home, your outdoor sanctuary is now fully integrated into your smart home ecosystem. Imagine being able to close your louvers from miles away while on vacation during a sudden rainstorm. Join over 100,000 happy customers worldwide. Visit the PERGOLUX online shop today and make your dream a reality.